Hello there. Today, I want to offer up just a moment of stillness as well as a journal prompt or two. So, it's important for us to be present, to find these moments of stillness in our lives. These moments of stillness creates a sense of steadiness and comfort, and it only takes a few minutes. So I'm going to invite you wherever you are to find a comfortable seat. You can sit on a chair or on the floor, whatever feels most comfortable for you. Bring your palms together, give them a nice little rub, yeah? And then place your hands over your heart. Just take a couple of long, deep breaths in and out of your nose. That's all you have to do right now. Just feel your body grounding. Maybe your hips are resting on the floor. Maybe you're in the chair. Just feel them grounding down. Feel your spine elongate each time you breathe in, each time you exhale. Feel a softness wash over your shoulders. And then take another deep breath in. Hold and retain the breath just for a few seconds. And then exhale completely. So hopefully you've grabbed a pen and paper. If not, go on and pause the video. Grab your pen and paper. And I'm going to share 2 journal prompts for you. So the first one, what are the things that are keeping you from being present in your life? What are the things that are keeping you from being present in your life? And know that you can pause, write that down, and then press play again. And the last journal prompt. How can you overcome the distractions that are keeping you from being present in your life? How can you overcome the distractions that are keeping you from being present in your life? All right, guys, there you have it. Our journal prompts for the week. Take a deep breath in. Exhale out of the mouth. And have a wonderful week.